If you're struggling with high accident rates or machine downtime in your sawmill, watch this before you quit. Unskilled labor in a sawmill isn't just a productivity issue, it's a safety disaster. Finding sawmill jobs near me applicants who actually understand head rigs and safety protocols is becoming impossible. High turnover in these roles leads to dangerous conditions and soaring insurance premiums. You cannot afford to treat these high-risk positions as general labor. Hire safety-first sawmill professionals. Visit woodjobs.com today.